You know, see, last night me get the soup and I say, you know what? I go left it for Saturday because of the great Saturday soup. Look here. From your look pan, the bone, you know what kind of soup this. From you see them have the cut banana right there, so you know what kind of soup this. Look there. No, me are probably the strongest man will ever live in a life because how can I have the soup and not eat it at the same time? Can you imagine? Me wait past Saturday to eat the soup. Nice piece of yellow yam right there, son. This look like a piece of... I don't know about that coconut sheen, but yeah, man. That is it. Jesus. Wow. Oh man, I want that pepper. I want that pepper, man. Oh, Jesus. Yes, this. I know how make locks I get so long. Yeah, right. Ready now. Take two. Alright, so the first taste, you know, it kind of spicy. It clot me. I know say so much breeze never did a blow when me just come out here. Alright. Thank you. Yeah, we're good now. Thank you. Mighty God. Yellow yam. The yellow yam is strong. Good yam this. Good yam this. Goat. Rami. Yeah. Banana skin. Everything me and yam, believe. More goat. Yes, Lord, thank you, Jesus. When you don't suck out the bone and you put it back in the soup and then it absorbs more soup and you rinse, repeat, and yeah. Tami tap suck out this bone when the soup done. Other than that, rinse, repeat, man. Yep.